Hello, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss what digital marketing is. Now, I'm Gaza Elisha, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and like this video. Now, without further ado, many people say they are digital marketers, and I've gone on LinkedIn and I mostly see profiles of people who label themselves as digital marketers. Now, one of the things we need to consider is who is a digital marketer. And we are going to find out today if you are actually a digital marketer. Now, remember that the name of this channel is Eliademic Digital Marketing Videos. Now, if you've gone through all my videos or some of my videos, you will find out that I release content on either Facebook monetization, importation, social media marketing, and so forth. Now, that is because I focus on digital marketing. Now, what is actually digital marketing? You've been hearing people talk about digital marketing. I'm a digital marketer. What does that actually mean? Now, in today's video, you are actually going to find out what digital marketing actually means. So without further ado, let's move on to today's video. Now, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below, and then make sure you join the community of like-minded people who are on this channel and have to share one idea, thoughts, and ideology together. Now I'm on 1,180 something subscribers, and it's amazing. It's growing slowly but steadily. So without further ado, let's move on to today's topic. Now, digital marketing simply means the act of what? Of selling. The act either selling product, services online. It's just the act of using internet to showcase your product, to sell your services, to sell your idea, and so forth. I have most of this content written down on my laptop, and so I'll be going through the content here on my laptop. And from the definition here I said digital marketing is a promotion of product, services, or brands using digital channels like the internet, mobile devices, social media, search engine, emails, and even websites. Now, it focuses on reaching a targeted audience where they spend most of their time online to build what? Awareness, to generate leads, and also what? To derive sales. Now, this is one thing you should understand, that digital marketing focuses on internet, and while traditional marketing cannot be considered as the digital marketing. So is it enough for you to call yourself a digital marketer? What does it take for you to be a digital marketer? If you brand yourself, maybe you're on LinkedIn and then you wrote on your profile, I'm a digital marketer. Do you know what it actually means? What are you specializing? What do you specialize on? Is it search engine optimization, which is also known as SEO? Is it content creation or copywriting? It has to do with Facebook monetization. Which aspect do you focus on? So number one here on my list is what we call search engine optimization. Many of you have seen people talked about SEO, and you have been wondering what is SEO. SEO simply means search engine optimization. It's optimizing your website to rank. So they are using rank. They use words that will rank either their YouTube channel, their website, or their blog. So search engine optimization, SEO, is a field in digital marketing. So you can specialize in just SEO, which is search engine optimization. So you are good in writing content that will rank. You are good on writing content that will what? Optimizing content to fit in a particular niche. Example is writing blog posts with keywords so people can find your site easily. Let's say, for instance, I am into the food niche blog. So they're going to use certain keywords that are focusing on those who are looking for such product, which is food and so forth. They're going to look for the keywords. Number two is content marketing. Content marketing simply means creating valuable, informative, entertaining content to attract and retain an audience. So you must be able to create what? Valuable, informative, entertaining, and content that what will attract and keep your audience. Examples are what? Writing blog posts, videos, ebooks, infographics. So, for instance, you're a content marketer. You suddenly call yourself a digital marketer because you're a content writer. Content writer is a content marketer. It's just an aspect of digital marketing. So for you to be a digital marketer, you must have the knowledge of SEO. You must also have the knowledge of content marketing. And these just two I have listed. So let's move to number 3. Number 3 is social media marketing, SMM. So who is a social media marketing or media marketer? Is promoting your brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X, and LinkedIn. Example, posting reels on Facebook to attract followers and then to be able to monetize. My last video I talked about Facebook monetization. Do make sure you watch the video that I released earlier. So for you to be a digital marketer, you see that you must be a social media marketing guru. That means you must know about SME, creating reels, creating blog posts that fit in every social media platform, because there are certain images that are not good on Facebook because of the ratio, and there are some certain images that are not good on YouTube. Remember that YouTube video is 16 by 9. Imagine that you are doing a square video. It will not fit on YouTube. Why? Because the ratio is not the same. So you must be able to know some of the images that will fit in any of the Facebook or any of the social media you are posting. And number 4 is pay per click advertising, PPC. What is PPC? It's running paid ads on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook ads where you pay per click. So you see, example is boosting a Facebook post to reach a wider audience. Have you seen something like this before? When you release your post on Facebook, they ask you to boost your post. Those who are into pay per click, which is PPC, are very good in running those ads so that you gain link clicks. Let's say, for instance, you want to get 1,000 people who have clicked on a certain link of your product. So what you have to do is to meet those who are very fast in this PPC, and then they will help you boost that link, and then you're going to get link. You're going to get click, sorry. You're going to get click from those links you have posted. And most of them, they sell products. So per link or per selling of those products, for instance, if I click on the link and I purchase that product, they count it one click. So they understand how these things run. And then the next is what we call email marketing. Do you know, have you heard of Brevo? Have you heard of MailChimp? Have you also heard of other email marketing platforms where who on this earth does not have an email? I don't know. If you know, you are the one, please make sure you comment below. But everybody have email. I think so, and I believe so. So who doesn't know email, or who has not received an email before? So email marketing is part or and parcel of digital marketing. What is email marketing? Sending personalized emails to nurture leads and build customer loyalty. Recently, I was going through my email list and check it out. I have 23,000 emails that I have received so far, because I'm always online, and sometimes for you to get lead magnet from people, they will request your email, and sometimes I have to put my email there and then get. And apart from that, I receive emails from my workplace, emails from friends, email from colleagues, email from sending email to applying for jobs and so forth. So it's important that you understand email marketing. You must understand how to use autoresponder. Let's say, for instance, subscribe to your to your email list. You should be able to set up an email respondent where I will immediately receive an email telling me congratulations for joining the mailing list and so forth. So those who are good in email marketing, who knows the steps that is needed to set up an email, are also called digital marketers. So you can actually see that we have not even finished, and you don't actually know most of these things, and you call yourself a digital marketer. And then the next is affiliate marketing. You've heard of the concept of affiliate marketing, right? Where someone has a product or a service, and then you have to sell it and then get commission from it. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is partnering with individuals, that is affiliate, who promotes your product for a commission. Example is Amazon affiliate links in YouTube videos. So for instance, I have a product I'm selling. Let's say for instance, I'm selling this mic here and it's sold for 20,000 naira per piece. And if you're able to sell this mic, let's say for instance, I give you the product and I tell you this product is 20,000 naira, but I'm selling it 22,000 naira. If peradventure you are able to sell any of this product, you are earning 2,000 naira from this product. That means when you sell each piece of this mic, you are going to be making 2,000 and I'm going to be making 20,000. But let's say the threshold of this product is 20,000 naira, and I'm giving you a 10% or 5% commission from this product each that you sell. So imagine that you sell 20 of this product or 50 of this product. How much are you going to be making from it? So if 10% is 2,000 naira, I guess so, and if you're able to sell 2, you have 4,000 naira. That is the concept of affiliate marketing. You partner with the affiliate, and then they give you a link. It could even be a course, not usually a product. Let's say I have a course, I'm selling an importation course, and I put it on either Salesforce or I put it on Nestouch and so forth. And then anybody that is interested in partnering with me in the affiliate, in selling my course, all I need to do is give them the link to that product and they are going to sell it. And then whichever commission I put on that service or that product, that is what they are going to get. So let's move to the next one, which is influencer marketing. What's an influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is collaborating with social media influencers who promote your brand to your audience. Example is what? Paying a TikTok creator to review your product. I've done that several times. I've seen someone who have 1 million views on Facebook, who have 500 and something thousand views or followers, on Facebook. And all I need to do is meet the person and say, please, I have a service I'm selling, or I have a product that I'm selling, especially when I was selling the waist trainer. I was also selling this tripod here, and just for 7,000, 8,000 naira, you get any of this. You see the tripod and this tripod, so they each cost 8,000 naira each. And I made an influencer and I said, I have this product that I do sell, waist trainer and this tripod, and how much am I going to pay you for you to be able to post my product on your page? And all they need to say, oh, you are going to pay 5,000 naira per day or 10,000 naira in 2 days and so forth. And because they have large following, what they normally do is they collect the sample of your product and then they post it on your page. You're going to see those who are going to comment, and most times it's actually the best. Why? Because they already have followers, and all they need to do, and these followers trust the people they are following. Imagine Cristiano Ronaldo posting a product because you love him, or because Messi posts a product and because you love him, you are going to buy this product. Is that true? Yes, and because you trust them. The same thing with influential marketing. You find out that you have not even done or no 3 out of these things I've listed, and yet you call yourself a digital marketer. So let's move on. The next is what we call mobile marketing. What is mobile marketing? It's reaching users through mobile apps, SMS, push notification, or in-app ads. Example is sending SMS alert about discount. So if you are into mobile marketing, you are going to be sending SMS to people about discounts, about your products or service that you are offering, and then about the discount you are offering them and why they should buy or take the offer from you. And then the next is video marketing. If you want to create videos that turns out to be well to do on any social platform, you should have this skill. I consider it one of the best skills that you should have in digital marketing, which is video marketing. Using videos to engage and educate customers. What I'm actually doing now is video marketing. Is that true? I'm actually creating a video to showcase on my YouTube channel. Example is what? YouTube tutorials, Facebook Reels, TikTok clips, and so forth. So what I'm actually doing now is YouTube tutorial, and that simply means I'm practicing one aspect of digital marketing, which is video marketing. So I use tutorials to reach out to my audience, which is you that is watching my video. And the next is search engine marketing, SEM. Remember the other one is SEO. This is SEM, which is a broader form of marketing that includes both SEO and paid search ads. Example is running Google ads to appear at the top of search result. So you can actually see that when you run Google ads to appear in the front of search result, you are practicing search engine marketing, SEM. The next here is online public relation, that is PR, which simply means managing your online reputation through press releases, blogging, responding to online reviews. This is common but not a broad view in digital marketing. And the last is CRO, which is considered as conversion rate optimization, improving your website or landing pages to turn visitors into customers. Example is adding a call to action buttons like buy now or subscribe now. You've seen this before on ads, something like this, shop now or order now, and then they are telling you the kind of action they're expecting you to carry on their ads that they are running. So you're actually blessed seeing the aspect of digital marketing. So if you're blessed through this video, or you enjoy watching my tutorials, or you enjoy today's tutorials, or there's something you want to talk about, or an aspect of digital marketing are actually not talked about, or you felt is not necessary, or is not part of digital marketing, do make sure you comment below, and do make sure you check my YouTube description, my video description, where you are going to see the links to my Facebook channel, TikTok, and this and my YouTube videos. So do well, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.